If you're passionate about improving your land and making the most of every acre, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. On this channel, we share practical farming tips, sustainable solutions, and proven techniques to help you reclaim and improve even the most difficult soils. Reclaiming waterlogged and saline soils is possible with certain hardy plants that improve drainage and reduce salt content naturally over time. For example, Vetiver grass is widely used because of its deep roots that help stabilize soil and absorb excess water. Farmers in India and Southeast Asia often plant vetiver along field boundaries and drainage lines to reduce waterlogging and soil erosion. Another practical option is kalar grass, which grows well in both saline and waterlogged soils. In Pakistan, it's commonly planted in salt-affected areas for fodder and soil improvement. Among trees, Eucalyptus camaldulensis is a practical choice. It has high water absorption capacity and is planted in low-lying fields to lower the water table. In many parts of Punjab and Haryana, India, farmers plant eucalyptus to reclaim waterlogged lands. Casuarina equisetifolia is another tree that survives in sandy saline soils. It's often seen along coastal regions of Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, where it acts as a windbreak and helps improve soil stability. For very saline conditions, tamarix is highly effective. It's used in arid regions like Rajasthan, where it can survive extreme salt levels and support local ecosystems. Prosopis juliflora, though invasive if unmanaged, is used in Gujarat and parts of Africa to reclaim severely degraded saline lands. It not only survives the salt, but also improves organic matter in the soil through its leaf litter. When it comes to crops, barley is a good starting option for farmers attempting to grow in mildly saline soils. It performs better than wheat under salty conditions and is already in use in regions like the Indus Basin. Quinoa, a salt-tolerant pseudo-cereal originally from South America, is gaining popularity in India and Africa as a nutritious and hardy crop for poor soils. Sesbania, a fast-growing legume, is another practical plant. Farmers use it as green manure in saline paddy fields because it fixes nitrogen and improves soil health. Wetland plants like Phragmites australis are used in constructed wetlands to drain water and treat saline wastewater. In Egypt and China, these reeds are planted in swamps and canal edges to control salinity and improve water drainage. Typha is another useful plant for marshy lands and is often used alongside reeds to absorb water and reduce salt levels. By combining such plants with good practices like adding compost or gypsum and creating shallow drainage channels, farmers and landowners can gradually restore degraded land. Keep watching for more insights on improving your soil and boosting productivity naturally.